Today I want to show you how you make a profile picture or rather a circular picture from a square or rectangular picture. For instance, I have this passport, but I always feel like a circular frame is better than either rectangular or a square frame. So let me minimize this. I want to change this to this kind of square picture to this circular frame picture, which I can use as a profile picture for LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, say any social media or wherever it might be for you. Like in this case, I have used it in my resume. This is the same picture, but now in a different frame. This is a circular frame, as you can see. So how do you do that? It's simple. You don't need to know any editing software like Adobe or whichever. You just need to go into your browser and then type this profile. I had already searched for the same, so you can see my suggestion giving me profile picture maker. Profile picture maker. This is the site we're gonna use to convert square or circular or rectangular picture to a circular frame picture. So click on the first link once you search that, the first link here. You don't need to sign in or any other procedures. You just upload your photo that you want to make a circular framed picture from. For instance, let me just pick a random picture in my pictures. Let me just choose this. Yeah, this one. You can see I have uploaded a rectangular picture. From that, I want to make circular pictures, circular framed pictures, which I can use as profile pictures on different platforms. So once you upload, it takes some time, then it will give you results. Let's see what results I get. I just went missing. No, it's generating. Give it some few seconds or minutes depending on your internet speed, and then we see the magic. Perfect. So scroll down, you can see from this picture. Let me just show you which picture I was converting. It's this one. This is the picture which I have uploaded this one, and then from this I am making a profile picture which is circular framed and with different backgrounds. So it gives you so many options for you to choose the one which is favorite for you. Of course, for me, I like plain colors. For instance, I would pick this. It's very simple to get the picture. You just click on the arrow down, which is download, and then here is the picture. Let me just open for you to confirm. Yeah, now here I have a very beautiful, a very great profile picture. Comparing this to this, you can see it looks a bit professional and appealing to the eye. Like someone seeing this looks a bit better. Let me just put them side by side. So from this rectangular picture, I have made this beautiful profile picture which I can use in my social media platforms. So the website is Profile Picture Maker. this one. It gives you so many variations, so it's upon you to choose which you feel good with. You can as well download all of them, but they will confuse you. Just pick the best. Choose the best, download them. Cheers. See you next time. Subscribe for more.